Well, hello everyone. I am Gio and I am one of the information girls. And today I want to come to you to tell you about notifications and where to get them on YouTube. And so, this is the bell that you would click here to get your notifications. Now, I use the notification bell to look for comments, to see when my subscribers upload their videos, and most importantly, I use it to see if I have a new subscriber. Okay, so you would click the bell here, and then this notification box is going to come up, and you'll see comments, comments, comments. You'll see that you have a new subscriber here, and you just keep scrolling down. You see new subscriber, so now you know you got a new subscriber. You can click here on this new subscriber's name. It'll go straight to their uh, channel. You can click on a comment. It will go straight to the video. Okay. All right. This is Geo. I'm one of the information girls. I hope you're having a great day. If you have not subscribed to the channel Information Girls, please do so today. I'll see you on the next important video.
Information girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you